Welcome once again to our today's virtual classroom. So children, today we are going to start with a new poem from our unit 2. The poem number is 2.1 and the poem name is Chameleons. Now, what is chameleons? Chameleons is a kind of a lizard whose skin changes color. So you can see in the image. Yes. So let's read the poem and understand the poem. Poem number 2.1, poem named Chameleons. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. They are one of the nature's strangest sight. Their color change like traffic lights. Now, children, this is a very short poem and written by poet Colin West. In his poem, he is trying to tell us about the qualities of chameleon. So let's understand the poem. Chameleons are seldom seen. Now, you can see the image of chameleon. You can see the image of this colorful chameleons. Children, we have seen the lizard, but those are the common lizard. But chameleon is considered to be a kind of a lizard whose skin changes the color. And this types of chameleons, this type of lizards are not very easy to see. Okay, that's why poet is saying that chameleons are seldom seen. Now, seldom here means rarely, means hardly we get to see this kind of chameleons. Chameleons are mostly found in desert region or maybe in a jungle areas. Okay, children, so it's not that easy to see chameleons in our surrounding. They are red, they are orange, then they are green. So, poet is trying to tell us again that this chameleon can change their color to protect themselves. Okay, sometimes they are red, sometimes they are orange, and sometimes they are green. So, their skin keep changing the color. It is also said that they protect themselves by changing their colors. They are one of nature's strangest sight. Their color changes like traffic lights. So, poet is also comparing them with a traffic light. Okay, and poet is also trying to tell us that they keep changing their colors like traffic light, and he says that they are one of the most unusual that we can see in nature. As I said, it's not very easy to see chameleon in our surrounding. We definitely have to visit somewhere in the forest areas or maybe in the jungle region. Okay, and word strangest here means unusual, means they are not found very easily. So I hope children you understood the poem. It's a very short poem where poet is trying to tell us about a chameleon and their changing color. So now I have come up with a very short activity and very simple activity. Okay children, you have to draw and color the chameleons. I hope you understood the poem. I want all of you to stay safe, stay home, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.